Good afternoon, parents. My apologies. Good afternoon. And this is a tutorial for the Zoom meeting. So I sent you a link in your child's email address, and this is just a test trial. This is the name of the class that we'll be using tomorrow. It will start at 9 a.m. sharp. And to join the classroom, I'm not sure how it looks when you are joining. I think you wait in a waiting room and then I will add your child. I'm not sure. Here I open it, and it's supposed to open the meeting. Okay, when you open the meeting, there are some icons at the bottom. You can see. When your child enters the classroom, I ask that you have them mute the mic. So take off the mic, and then I want them to put on their video. Okay, you can see that mine is on. And here I will see who is online. Over here I can see who all is online. And if you want to ask a question or you want to say something if teacher asks, you'll click this little icon at the bottom, and there's the raise hand button. And over here, teacher will be able to see your hand being raised. Okay? And after the session is finished, you see this little red button. It says end. You're going to click it and you're going to leave the meeting. That's the one that begins with L. Okay? And that's the end of our tutorial for today. I will see you next time, guys. Bye.